Okay, we are going to start question number 6. It is given that complex number z1 is equal to 3 times exponential of pi iota over 4 and z2 is equal to 3 by 2 exponential of pi iota over 6 and omega is equal to 2 times exponential of pi iota over 2. State the value of omega z1 and omega z2. Give your answer in the form of r exponential of iota theta, where r is greater than 0 and theta is less than and equal to pi and greater than negative pi. Okay, we need to find omega z1 and we know that omega is equal to 2 exponential of half pi iota. So 2 times exponential of pi iota over 2 times z1 is equal to 3 times exponential of quarter pi iota, 3 times exponential of quarter pi iota. These two terms are multiplied, so 2 times 3 is 6 and we have the base same, so power will be added. Further solving, taking 4 as a LCM, and this will be equal to 2 pi iota plus pi iota. Further solving, we will have 6 times exponential of 3 pi iota over 4. This is omega z1. Now we need to find the omega z2. Omega z2 is equal to, omega is 2 times exponential of pi iota over 2 time z2 is 3 over 2 exponential of 1 over 6 pi iota. 2 will be cancelled out and we will have 3 exponential of pi iota over 2 plus pi iota over 6. Further solving, we will have 3 exponential of taking LCM 6 and this will be 3 pi iota plus pi iota. So we have omega z2 is equal to 3 times exponential of 4 pi iota over 6 and this will be equal to 3 exponential of 2 pi iota over 3, which is equal to omega z2. We have calculated omega z1 and z2. Let's move to the part B. On the sketch Gun diagram with origin 0, show the point ABC representing the complex number z1, z2, omega z1 and omega z2 respectively. z1 is A, this one is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D. And we know that this complex number has the magnitude 3 and the argument is 2 pi over 3. Similarly, this complex number z1 has magnitude 3 and the argument of pi by 4. So first z1, which is 3 times exponential of 1 over 4 pi iota. And in this case, argument is pi by 4, which is equal to 45t. And the length of the z1 is 3. So we plot this one. This one is z1 and point E, because its length is 3 and the angle is, this one is pi by 4. Now similarly z2 is equals to 3 over 2 means 1.5 exponential of pi by 6 iota. z2 is 3 over 2 exponential of pi iota over 6, and in this case magnitude is 3 over 2 means 1.5 and pi by 6 is equals to the 30 degrees. So this will be equals to this one, and length is 3 by 2 and the angle is pi by 6, and this point represents B, which is C2. Now let's move to C point, which is omega z1. C point is omega z1, which is equals to the 6 times exponential of 3 pi iota over 4. In this case, the magnitude is 6 and the angle is 3 pi over 4, which is equals to 135 degrees. And this angle is equals to 3 pi over 4 and the magnitude of this length will be 6. and this point is C, which is equal to omega C1. Now we have the last point D, which is omega C2. D, which is equal to omega C2, which is equal to 3 times exponential of 2 pi iota over 3. In this case, we have magnitude 3 and the angle is 2 pi over 3, which is equal to 120 degrees. So this will be the angle of, this is the point D, which is omega Z2, and this angle is 2 pi over 3, and the length of this D is 3.
Now let's move to the part C. State the geometric effect of multiplying Z1 and Z2 by omega. Okay, we know that A and B are the point. When multiplied with omega, we get C and D. Before multiplying, A, which is Z1, has length of 3 and angle of pi by 4. When multiplied with omega, we get C, which is omega Z1, and this one has the length 6 and angle of 3 pi 4. Similarly, we have the point B, which is Z2, which has the value of length 3 over 2 and the angle of pi by 6. When multiplied with omega, we get D, which is omega Z2, which has the length 3 and the angle of 2 pi over 3. Okay, we can see that the 3 converted to the 6 after multiplying with omega and 3 by 2 converted to the 3. So there is an enlargement by factor 2. We can say that enlargement by factor. Now let's talk about the angle. Pi by 4 converted to the 3 pi by 4. So there is a difference of 90 degrees or pi by 2. Similarly, pi by 6 converted to 2 pi over 3. So this one is also 90 degree, or we can say that which is pi by 2. So we can say that this angle and this angle both are 90 degree and the rotation is anti-clockwise. So we can say that rotation by pi by 2 in anti-clockwise. So we can say that the effect of multiplying Z1 and Z2 by omega is enlargement by factor 2 and rotation by pi by 2 in anti-clockwise.